taking action against these civilians, innocent people. I'm going to come back to Ambassador Basuti Mukherjee. Now, how do we at this point of time, looking at it from a distance, and about how there have been claims being made, and as per sources, reports being brought out, that the Taliban government in Afghanistan is hand in glove, connived with the Balochis to perpetrate this attack?
In the first place, I would like to clarify to our guest from Pakistan that I was not in any way justifying the killing of innocent hostages. I was pointing out that the atmosphere which currently prevails in that part of Pakistan is also partly due to the fact that the locals, the Baluchis, resent the fact that the Pakistani government has brought in the BRI, and they feel that they are being deprived of their land and resources, quite apart from some of the other issues which Megha raised. Under those circumstances, such attacks by the Baluchi Liberation Army can be, there's a very thin line between what is a terrorist attack and what is not a terrorist attack. They regard it as a struggle for liberation of their territory against what they feel is a neo-colonial approach by the Pakistanis through the Chinese, and because of that there have also been targeted killings, I understand, of Chinese in that part of Pakistan. So you would know, Mr. Mir, as well as I do, we could probably be probably the same generation, that Baluchistan joining Pakistan was at the end, and there are many interpretations of how Baluchistan became part of Pakistan. But be that as it may, it was not a smooth integration, and Baluchis do not consider themselves to be Pakistanis the way, let's say, when I meet a Pakistani Punjabi from Pakistan or somebody like you who feel that this is their country and that they belong to it, the same kind of sentiment I have never got from a Baluchi, how better off or worse. So the point is that there is a huge political problem here which needs to be resolved politically through dialogue. And if that is not resolved through dialogue, then such killings and attacks will take place. I understand that those who took the hostages are demanding, as Megha said, a list of their own Baluchis who are prisoners to be released, a kind of hostage release situation. That is unconfirmed news. I picked it up from the net. I may be wrong, I may be right. But the point here is that there are many Baluchis languishing in miserable conditions in Pakistani jails, and this could be a revenge attack. I am not advocating that they should indulge in terrorism or they should execute the hostages. I am merely saying that this may be a wake-up call for the Pakistani establishment, see how they can bring about reconciliation in this part of Pakistan, because otherwise, if it is true and if the allegations about the Taliban being involved are correct, then it would give further problems in Pakistan's quest to set its economy straight and to get back into the path of development. That's all I had to say.
Right, absolutely. And I will put this out to my viewers' knowledge that it's